Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we draw Pusheen shaved ice. So let's get started. To draw this cute shaved ice, let's first start by drawing the cherry on top. So I'm going to start right here with a circle. Draw a nice big cherry. And then I'm going to come to the side, to the top right here and just draw a curve. And then I'm going to put a stem coming out and then right here just sticking it up. So then from there we're going to start to draw our mound of shaved ice. So just to kind of mimic the texture of shaved ice, I'm going to, as I draw, I'm going to kind of zigzag and make it kind of look rough a little bit. So I'm going to start right here and just for our first curve, I'm going to come down. Not sure if this is going to work, but hopefully it will. I just feel like if I don't do this, it's going to look like ice cream, right? So I do try to make it look like shaved ice. So then I'm going to come to the other side and say about right here, a little bit higher than the other side. I'm going to draw another curve, but it's going to end a little bit higher. Then let's keep going. So on this side, I'm going to once again do the same thing. I'm going to get a little bit wider as I come down to say about here. And then on this side, I'm going to match this height, but put in two curves. So let's come right about here. If you're not comfortable doing these little curves as you make these big curves, you can definitely just draw it smooth. But I'm just going to try to see if this works. So I'm going to try to aim to be about the same height as the other side. So it's kind of leveled. Right there. Then from there, let's go ahead and come out. And this is just going to be nice and round. Right about here. And same thing here. And I just kind of want to match the other side as well. So let's say about here. Okay, so then now that I have that on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a curve. So it sits nicely in our bowl. Right there. And then let's come down. We're going to draw a little lip for our bowl. About right here, same thing. And let's thicken it up. And then the bowl. So let's come in about right here and just draw a curve. Nice simple bowl. So same thing here. And just connect it with a curve. There, one more layer. I need to make this a little fatter. Okay, so now one more layer at the bottom here. I'm going to draw kind of like as if I'm drawing an oval. And about here, just trying to make it centered, then connect it with another curve so that we have a base for our bowl. There. Okay, so now that that's all done, let's put in some details. So the main one is, let's come into this area, these 2 points right here. I'm going to kind of zigzag as I draw this curve. So it's going to be a curve going this way. If you're using a pencil, definitely draw a curve first. I'm going to stop about, you know what, let's do this side too. Kind of pretend you're just finishing up this curve. And I just want it even so I can put in Pusheen's ears. So now that I'm about right there, I'm going to pop out her ears, round off the tip to about here. And then continue right there, and then the other ear right about there. Okay, So now that I have that, let's go ahead and just going to lightly break up this mound so that you can put in a bunch of different colors when you're coloring it. And same thing here. And into that area. And then finally, let's make it a pusheen. So I'm going to come back to our center, which is about right here. Come down and say about right there. I'm going to draw a little line and then curve out on both sides for her mouth. And then come to the sides about right here and just draw a circle. And I'll give my pusheen a highlight for the eyes and shade it all in. So same thing here, about right here. There. And of course her whiskers. So come to the side of the eye and about right here. Just draw in two curves. And same thing about right here. And here. And last but not least, of course, we need to put a heart somewhere. So I will put it on our bowl to make this my Just So Cute Pusheen shaved ice. I really hope you loved how this turned out and that I helped you draw her fun. Well, not her. Draw the shaved ice fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.